Continuing on with my Too Good To Go food challenge this week. See this innocent looking donut that I got for about 1p from Rose Bakers. See that pack of Cadbury's 12 bites that just happened to be in my cupboard? My friend bought them, I didn't. Check this. I've cunningly sliced it in half and then I'm going to put the top back on. Hey! Even though it's raining, still cooking with solar.
Do or do not. There is no try.
The reveal. Look. Oh, so the chocolate didn't melt, but let's see what it tastes like. Mm, 9.5 out of 10. Wow.